Introducing the new Snap Circuits curriculum, designed to spark curiosity, deepen understanding, and bring hands-on learning to every classroom. With new challenge cards, center cards, vocabulary cards, and experiment-based lessons, students are encouraged to think critically, explore independently, and collaborate with peers. Experiment-based lessons feature investigations. Each lesson includes guiding questions, learning standards, warm-up activities, a fluency check or review, experiment notes, an assessment sheet or a student worksheet, as well as a debrief discussion you can have following the activities, a reading strategy guide, a text, a PowerPoint presentation. All the answer keys are also included. And then there are vocabulary cards, center cards, and challenge cards. Teachers can use these resources flexibly at learning centers, for small group instruction, whole group instruction, or even as enrichment challenges. The updated curriculum kit comes with a scope and sequence. It includes guiding questions for each lesson, vocabulary words, learning standards, ideas for student work, and assessment tools. With Snap Circuits' robust new curriculum, students don't just build circuits, they build knowledge, curiosity, and confidence in STEM.